In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're walking through how to block a specific video in the YouTube Kids app quickly and confidently. Start by opening the YouTube Kids app and playing the video you want to block. Actually, pressing play helps ensure you've got the exact clip on screen, especially if there are multiple videos with similar thumbnails or titles. While the video is playing, or if you're viewing it from a list, look for the More icon. It's the three dots you'll typically see at the top right corner of the video screen, or right next to the video in a list. Give that a tap to open the Options menu. From the options that appear, choose Block this video. At this point, the app may ask you to verify that you're an adult. Depending on your settings, you'll either enter your parental passcode or solve a simple math problem. This quick check is there to prevent little ones from changing content settings on their own. After verification, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm that you want to block the video. Once you do, that specific video will no longer appear for this profile. It won't show up in home recommendations, search results, or the viewing history suggestions for that child. If you manage multiple child profiles, remember that blocking applies only to the profile you're using now. If you switch to another profile later, you would repeat the same process there for the same result. If you don't immediately see the three-dot icon, try tapping the screen once to reveal the on-screen controls. On some devices, the icon appears next to the video title when not in full screen, and at the top right corner when the video is in full screen mode. Keeping your app up to date can also help ensure the option appears consistently. A quick note for clarity: blocking this way applies to one video, not an entire channel. If other videos from the same channel aren't a good fit either, you can block those specific videos using the same steps. And that's all there is to it. Open the video, tap the three dots, choose Block this video, verify, and confirm. With just a few taps, you can fine-tune what appears in your child's feed and create a viewing experience that better matches your family's preferences. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep things simple